At Peter Vardy Heritage in Edinburgh, we are proud to offer this rare and low-mileage 1968 Jaguar Series 1.5, one of just 2,387 made to left-hand drive specification. Having lived 40 years of its life in the US state of California with one owner, since arriving on these shores, the vehicle has remained a one-owner car within the UK. A matching chassis and engine numbers example, it has been the subject of a recent and outstanding cosmetic restoration by renowned marque specialist XK Engineering, with a bare metal respray and retrim in the highly attractive original livery of opalescent maroon bodywork and cinnamon beige leather upholstery. Additional related work included a refresh of all the brightwork, fitting of a new black hood, as well as an overhaul of the cylinder heads and thorough inspection of the drivetrain. Complete with UK V5C registration document and Heritage Trust certification confirming its provenance, this is the ultimate production Jaguar, whose heady blend of styling and performance were so exceptional that Enzo Ferrari described it as the most beautiful car ever made. A true thoroughbred. Allied to a monocoque passenger cell, the model's tubular front subframe cradles a 4,235cc straight-six engine, independent torsion-bar suspension, rack and pinion steering, coil-spring suspension, and inboard disc brakes. Simply outstanding in every regard. We offer a unique experience and pride ourselves in offering something truly special to our clients in the form of the finest selection of classic and modern classic vehicles from our immaculately heated indoor showroom and our state-of-the-art workshop. We can arrange transportation across the UK or internationally. Call us today on 0131 322 6712 for more information, or please visit petervardy.com.